So mid-June is the time to prune a lot of the growth that's on your grapevines to allow the grapes, all the energy and the water to go to the grapes and not into producing more greenery. So I did that a couple of weeks ago, and now I'm just cleaning it up. I'm trying to keep it cleaned up as much as possible so that all these beautiful grapes get all that water and get to expand. I'm also looking for things like insect and disease damages. Here's a situation where some little insects got hungry and started eating away at the greenery. So I have to watch and I have to constantly monitor, and I have to create a spray every week now. I use neem oil, which is a organic certified pesticide. But guess what? Also in the process of pruning the grapes, I found a little surprise. We get a robin's nest right in the middle. But it's more than just a robin's nest, because a foster mother moved in and abandoned one of her eggs. The brown-headed cowbird is notorious for laying her eggs in another bird's nest to allow that bird to foster her child. So right here we got this little robin's nest. So it's hard to believe that only a couple of weeks ago these were small clusters of little tiny flowers, and now they've already expanded to the individual clusters and are starting to swell out. And we'll keep lightly pruning for a couple of more weeks, and then sometime toward the end of July, we'll cover this with some netting to make sure the birds stay out and not eat the grapes.